America, also known as the United States of America, USA, is a country located in North America. It is composed of 50 states, a federal district, Washington, D.C., 5 major territories, and various possessions. The United States is one of the world's largest and most diverse countries, both geographically and culturally. The history of the United States dates back thousands of years to the indigenous peoples who inhabited the land before the arrival of European settlers. In 1492, Christopher Columbus made his first voyage to the Americas, initiating European exploration and colonization. The British established the first permanent settlement in Jamestown, Virginia, in 1607. Over time, other European powers, including the Spanish, French, and Dutch, also established colonies in different regions of North America. The American Revolution, which took place between 1775 and 1783, resulted in the 13 colonies gaining independence from British rule. The Founding Fathers of the United States drafted and adopted the Declaration of Independence in 1776, establishing the principles of freedom and democracy that would shape the nation's future. In 1787, the United States Constitution was written and ratified, creating a federal republic with a strong central government and a system of checks and balances. The Constitution remains the supreme law of the land, outlining the rights and responsibilities of the government and its citizens. Throughout its history, the United States has experienced significant events and periods, including westward expansion, the Civil War 1861–1865 fought over the issue of slavery, the Industrial Revolution, the Great Depression, and World Wars I and Roman II. The United States emerged as a global superpower after World War II, and during the Cold War it engaged in a geopolitical rivalry with the Soviet Union. The United States is known for its cultural, economic, and technological influence on the world. It has a diverse population comprising people from various ethnic, religious, and cultural backgrounds. The country is a democratic republic with a two-party political system, and the president serves as the head of state and government. The United States has a strong economy and is a global leader in various industries, including technology, finance, entertainment, and aerospace. It is also home to many prestigious universities, research institutions, and technological hubs.